Good afternoon to all of you. Myself, Professor N.V.R.P. from SND College of Engineering and Research Center, Yola. Today we are discussing the new topic, that is measure classification of measurement and measurement of high value of resistance by using a tester. What is measurement? The measurement of a given quantity is the act or result of a quantitative comparison between an unknown quantity and a predefined standard quantity. Means the two value will be which will be compared with the each other. It is called as measurement. The measuring process is a process in which a parameter of an object or system is compared with a standard object or system for the particular parameter. The classification of measurement, the value of a resistance which is less than 1 ohm is called as low resistance. The resistance which is in between 1 ohm to 100 kilo ohm, it is medium resistance, and above 100 kilo ohm it is called as a high resistance. The high value of resistance which will be measured by using number of two techniques, that is measure and earth tester. The measure we have already studied in previous lecture. Now today we will now in this lecture we learn about the earth tester. What is the earth tester? The instrument used for measuring the resistance of the earth. It is known as earth tester. All the equipment of the power system is connected to the earth electrode. The resistance of earth electrode is minimum. It is very minimum. The resistance of the earth is very low. So the fault current to the earth electrode passes to the earth. Means the earth tester which is used to measure the low value of resistance. The construction of earth tester. The earth tester uses the hand-driven generator, the rotational current reverser, and the rectifier are the two main parts of the earth tester. The current reverser and rectifier, these are the two parts. The current reverser and the rectifier are mounted on the shaft of the DC generator. Means the current reverser and rectifier, which will be always rotating with the rotation of the hand-driven handle. The tester has two commutator plates along with the current reverser and the rectifier. Each commutator consists four fixed brushes. The commutator is a device used for converting the direction of flows of the current. It is connected in series with the armature of the generator. The commutator which is connected in series with the generator, and the brushes are used for transferring the power from stationary parts to rotating parts of the device. The arrangement of the brushes can be done in such a way that they are alternately connected with one of the segment even after the rotation of the commutator. Even after the rotation of the commutator, the brushes and the commutators are always connected to each other. The brushes and commutators are always connected to each other. The earth tester consists two pressure and the current coils. Two pressures and current coils. Each coil has two terminals. The pair of pressure coil and the current coil are placed across the permanent magnet. The one pair of current and pressure coil is short circuited and it is connected to the auxiliary electrode. And the one end of the terminal of the pressure coil is connected to the rectifier, and their other end is connected to the earth electrode. Similarly, the current coil is connected to the rectifier and earth electrode. Pressure coil and one current coil and pressure coil are connected in between rectifier and earth electrode. The earth tester consists the potential coil which is directly connected to the DC generator. The potential coil is placed between the permanent magnet and permanent magnet. The coil is connected to the pointer and the pointer is fixed on the calibrated scale. The pointer indicates the magnitude of the earth resistance. The deflection of the pointer depends on the ratio of the voltage of current of pressure coil to the current of the current coil. Means the deflection which will be depends on the ratio of voltage upon current. Voltage of voltage which is across the pressure coil and current flowing to the current coil. Means according to the Ohm's law, the resistance will be calculated by using V upon R ratio. The short circuit current passes through the equipment to the earth is alternating in nature. Thus, we can say that the alternating current flows in the soil. This alternative current reduces the unwanted effect of the soil, which occurs because of chemical reaction or because of the production of back EMF. This is your construction of your earth tester and connection diagram. This is your DC generator, hand-driven DC generator. This is your current reverser, which is connected in between the current coil and pressure coil. This is your potential coil. These are the two permanent magnets. These are your brushes, 4 brushes, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the rectifiers. Rectifier, which is means commutator. Commutator. The commutator is act as a rectifier. This will be mounted on the same shaft of the DC generator, and this will be connected to the earth electrode. This will be another 2 earth electrode. That is your auxiliary electrode. When the current flow into the current coil, that is this current coil, and the voltage across the pressure coil, and according to the ratio of voltage across pressure coil and current flow into the current coil, the ratio of V upon R shows the resistance, and this will be deflected on that scale. This is your actual connection diagram. This is your 4 port of the earth tester. These are the 3 electrodes, and yellow point P1 is connected to the test electrode. Again, green is connected to the earth electrode. Green and black should be short circuited, and red is connected to the another test electrode. The steps to measure the earth resistance by using the earth tester. The earth electrode C1, whose resistance to be measured must be disconnected from the connection to the site. C1, that is this. This the resistance of that electrode. This electrode should be measured. Then, to obtain a correct measurement, the 3 electrode must be in straight line and the well aligned. The auxiliary current electrode C2 is placed at the distance D. It's approximately 30 meters or 100 feet from earth electrode C1. The potential probe reference probe P2 is placed in the soil in a straight line away from the earth electrode. Normally, the spacing of 20 meters, that is 62 to 63 feet is sufficient. Now, short C1 and P1 terminals of the earth tester and connect that point to earth electrode P2 to potential probe, and the last point C2 is connected to the current electrode or auxiliary electrode. Connect the earth tester as shown in figure. Press start and read out the insulation resistance, or read out the earth resistance. Sorry, read out the RE, that is earth resistance. This is the actual value of the ground electrode under test. This is the procedure to measure the earth resistance. What is the difference between the main measure and earth tester? Measure is an instrument which is in addition to measurement of high resistance. Measurement of high resistance can be used to test the quality of the insulation at or above its operating voltage, whereas the earth tester is used to measure low earth resistance. means the measure is used for high value of resistance, measurement of high value of resistance, and earth tester is used for low value of resistance. Measure is used for measuring an insulation resistance of motor, winding of cable, etc., which is measured in mega ohm. While the earth tester has earth electrodes, which are used to measure earth pit resistance, and it is measured in ohm. Thank you. This is the uh, earth tester, which is used for measurement of earth resistance by the earth tester. Okay. So thank you.